What's up, traders? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis on GBP JPY. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. As you can see, GBP JPY on the lower time frame has given us a significant trading opportunity. Now, before we discuss what it is, let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis. Then we'll jump onto this time frame to see how we can trade GBP JPY. First of all, looking at monthly perspective, as this monthly candle has just closed, we see that new monthly candle, and primarily we have seen a slow drop in this instrument, and this is, as you can see, already back to back 2 months drop. We can expect further drop on GBP JPY, as now this market is highly bearish and there is no significant level of support here to stop this price, so we could potentially see a strong drop in this instrument. If we look at weekly perspective, we see that GBPJPY on the weekly also giving us a strong bearish price action, starting with this impulse on the weekly. As you can see, there is a liquidity grab breaking this weekly resistance level. The price has gone up, grabbed huge liquidity and closed back below as a pin bar. Now later what we have seen, the prime market with a open with a gap and has broken down aggressively with this long middleman. Now this gap, in fact, the price has completely disconnected from this structure, giving us possibility for a big drop in this direction. Now previous week we see that GBPJPY has formed a doji or another narrow bearish candle. After this kind of middleman followed by a doji, it's a continuation pattern, and as a result we see that as soon as market open today, though there is a low volatility, but still we see that GBPJPY showing significant bearish move in this market. Now with that in mind, we could potentially see that GBPJPY even coming back to this monthly or weekly level of support. If we look at daily perspective, we see that there is a strong bearish impulse followed by this correction on the daily. Now every day the price is creating series of lower high and lower low. This is the last day of the trading week and month that has in fact a significance in it. As you can see, this candle is highly bearish. There is a very narrow wick at the top. That means the sellers was not strong enough to push that price high, and there is a long wick at the bottom, means there is a significant retracement. That means that it is now preparing for another drop. So monthly, weekly and daily giving us high probability for GBPJPY to drop. Now if we look at lower time frame on the intraday, we see that GBPJPY open with a gap here. You can see there's a big gap on this market and the price is slowly creating bearish price action. So what you could see, if we see that the GBPJPY giving us a strong bearish price action along this zone with a high volume, we'll consider going short on GBPJPY with a high probability trade setup with our students. And if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also let us know in the comment section which way you are trading GBPJPY. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.